Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Be nice to have a look at this Ariston this time. It's giving an error code SP1. The boiler is going through a sequence but it's just not firing up. The customer's got no heating on hot water and we're going to be diagnosing this and repairing in this video. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, this is going to be a short video on this Ariston boiler. Now what's happening, it goes through ignition process and then it flashes SP1 and then it goes through ignition process 2 to 3 times more, I think it's 2 times more, and then it starts flashing SP2. Right, SP1 is the first ignition failed, SP2 is second ignition failed. Right guys, if you got broken down boiler, Birmingham or South Birmingham, we repair all your favorite boilers from baxi, Biasi, Ariston, ferroli and many more. We also repair gladiator boilers too, and we offer landlord gas safety certificates and boiler service. If your boiler is broken down, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right guys, I've isolated the gas and I'm just checking the spark generator. My gut feeling is going to either the spark generator or the electrodes, because the boiler isn't firing up at all. It goes through 3 ignition sequences but it doesn't fire up at all. So I've eliminated the detection electrode. So let's see what happens. Right, the spark generator is fine, so that just leaves me with the electrodes. I bet there isn't enough gap between the electrodes. Right, I guessed it correctly, there isn't enough gap between the electrodes. So I'm going to open up the electrodes and we're going to test it out. If it works, great. And if it doesn't, we're just going to have to change the electrodes. Right guys, it's fired up, it's working fine. So that done the trick. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Right guys, sorted this Ariston out, it's all working fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. On my YouTube video, bro. I'm gonna do it again. I think you made me laugh. Sorry. Right, yeah. So anyway, sorted this boiler out. It's an Ariston boiler, ignition issues. So the customer didn't have any hot water heating. Now it's working fine. Hopefully it'll carry on working fine. If it doesn't, we're just gonna have to change the part on it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.